In every human heart, there's a spark. A vision of who we could be, a whisper of the life we were meant to live. And yet, too often, those dreams fade. Not because we didn't care. Not because we weren't capable. But because the goals we set were never built to last. We aim too high, too vague, or too far away, and when reality hits, the dream collapses. But what if I told you there's a way to set goals that don't just live on paper, but come alive in your hands? Today, I'll show you how to set goals you'll actually achieve. Start with why, not what. Every great journey begins not with a map, but with a reason. Don't just say, I want to lose weight or I want to start a business. Ask yourself, why does this matter? Your why is the fuel that will carry you through storms. It's the vision that makes pain bearable and sacrifice worth it. If your goal is to run a marathon, your why might be to prove to yourself you're stronger than you ever believed. If your goal is to build a business, your why might be freedom for yourself, for your family. When the what gets hard, the why keeps you moving. Break giants into steps. Dreams look massive when we stare at them as a whole. That's why so many people quit. But every mountain is climbed one step at a time. Don't set a goal that says, write a book. Set a goal that says, write 1 page today. Don't focus on the empire you want to build. Focus on making the first brick solid. When you shrink giants into daily steps, progress becomes inevitable. The impossible becomes manageable. Make it visible, make it real. A dream locked in your head is easy to forget. A goal written down, spoken out loud, or tracked on a wall becomes tangible. Write it. See it. Speak it. Athletes visualize victory before they ever step onto the field. Pilots map the course before the plane leaves the ground. You must do the same. Put your goal somewhere you'll see it every day. Not as a reminder of how far you are, but as a compass pointing you forward. Before we continue, I'd love to take a moment to sincerely thank you for being part of this journey toward personal beauty and endless growth. Your support truly means the world to me. If you enjoyed the content, please consider hitting that like button, subscribing to the channel, and sharing this video with others who might find it helpful. Your engagement is what keeps this channel growing and allows me to continue creating content for you. Now let's get back to the video. Build accountability and rituals. Discipline is not about strength alone, it's about systems. Willpower fades. Habits endure. If your goal is to exercise, don't wait until you feel motivated. Schedule it. Make it automatic. Tie it to a ritual, wake up, put on your shoes, and move before your brain has time to argue. And find someone to hold you accountable. A friend, a mentor, a community. Because when we walk alone, we quit in silence. But when someone walks beside us, we rise higher than we ever thought possible. Celebrate small victories, then keep going. Achievement is not a single destination, it's a series of milestones. Too many people wait to celebrate until the very end, and they lose steam before they get there. Did you finish a chapter? Did you save your first $100? Did you run 1 more mile than last week? Celebrate it. Not with complacency, but with gratitude. Every small win is proof you are becoming the person who can finish the race. Uplifting call to action. So here's the truth, setting goals isn't about writing down wishes. It's about designing victories. Start with why. Break it into steps. Make it visible. Build rituals. Celebrate the climb. And remember, goals are not promises to the world. They are promises to yourself. Promises that say, I will not settle for less than the life I was meant to live. So today, right now, decide. Set the kind of goal you will not just dream of, but become. Because the world doesn't change when you wish. The world changes when you begin. Most importantly, write down one goal right now. Not tomorrow. Not someday. Now. Because the best time to start was yesterday. The second best time is today. Your goals are no longer wishes. They're your future. Now go make them real.